after a restoration of 5 years. On November 9, 2024, the restoration of the Dome Tower has been officially finished. The tower is 700 years old. A restoration is necessary every 50 years. This was its third major restoration. More than 10,000 stones were examined to determine whether replacement was necessary. But isn't there one more thing the workmen have forgotten? The Dome Tower is the only tower in the world that is detached from its church, after the nave collapsed in a storm in 1674.